another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about an amazing variant out here. A variant which has got a different name in the different series out here. So let us talk about Lenovo's IdeaPad 130 series V110 2.3 gigahertz out there. So this is a very different variant out here, a very big name of the model out here, a big version out there. And if you talk about IdeaPad 130 series version, especially about this variant, this is nothing else V110 2.3 gigahertz out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the specifications first. Let us talk about the specialization specifications for this gadget. What are the things you get to see in this variant? So let us first talk about that. So that we come to know about this variant, then we will talk about the highlights, then we will talk about what are the special features of it. So talking about the specifications, let us talk about the processing system first. Talking about the processor, we can see that it offers you up to 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Yes, the processing system is really important in every gadget. And offering you up to 8th generation, yes, up to 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor is definitely incredible job done out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that it works very well with the operating system 10 home edition out here, which is really great when you have this kind of an Intel processor, Windows out there. You get to see a lot of things you can do in this version. Whereas if you talk about the graphical part, because after processing, you get to see the graphics is one of the most important thing. Yes, after processing system, graphics plays an important role. Talking about the graphical part, it offers you NVIDIA MX 110. What is this? This is a graphical part. This is the graphics out there used. Yes, NVIDIA MX 110, you can say, is an amazing version. After Intel HD graphics, you get to see this kind of a graphical part being used in most of the Lenovo's gadgets. Yes, most of the Lenovo gadgets use this kind of a variant. Apart from that, you also get to see that it has got Intel integrated part also. It is not like you will find different Intel integrated, but it is integrated, or you can say combined or collaborating with the processing system out here. Yes, it offers you a great processor which is up to 8th generation, and they are being very good collaborated. They are great coordinating with each other. Talking about the screen size, it offers you a great screen size of up to 15.6 inches out there. Yes, 15.6 inches is the screen size offered out here with two different type of display. Now, what is this display all about? This display helps you to check out what kind of a variant it is. Either it is a full HD display, HD display, Ultra HD. So what kind of display it is using? This variant, which is this IdeaPad 130 series. 130 series is actually very amazing out here because it offers you great range of screen out there. Now, if we talk specifically of this variant, this has got two different customizability options. You can either have full HD display, that is wonderful news out there, whereas you also get to have HD display. So you can have either full HD or HD display out there. So depending upon your needs, you can customize it. So definitely that is an amazing thing out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a memory card out there, that is the RAM memory, random access memory, which also plays an important role in every gadget. Apart from being the internal storage, RAM quality is really important. If you had got a very good RAM, then you had got really amazing things out there. Talking about the RAM, it offers you 4 GB RAM out there. Yes, this it offers you 4 GB internal RAM out there in the form of DDR4. So DDR4 is really a great and the most advanced, you can say, the RAM quality offered out. But apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you 4 GB DIMM RAM type along with it. So there is a customizability option now. What happens to this customizability? This is said like, if you have 4 GB DDR4 RAM and you want to customize it and have in addition to that, with this, along with this, you want to have 4 GB DIMM RAM, then you can have it, or you can avoid it too. So you can have either 4 GB DDR4 plus 4 GB DIMM RAM type, or you can have 4 GB DDR4 RAM. So there are two variants available out by the company itself. Whereas you can have a great range of, you can say, storage out there. How it would be like, you get to have up to 1 TB storage out there in different formats. If you talk about 1 TB, then you get to have 1 TB SATA storage out here free. Yes, SATA 3 is the RAM variant out here, functionality out here. But it is stored in the form of HDD, like this is the hard drive storage. 1 TB is in the hard drive storage. Whereas you also get to see that 500 GB SATA 3 HDD could also be seen out. So you get to have two different HDD variants. Along with that, you also get to see that it does not only offers you hard drive storage, it offers you SSD storage also, like that is the solid storage out there. They are either 128 or 256 GB SATA only. Yes, that is not the SATA 150, that is SATA only. So it can clearly be depicted out that this variant offers you two different type of internal storage, that is the hard drive storage in two different formats, that is SSD and HDD. Both the variants are available out. Along with that, you get to see SATA variants also. You get to see SATA also and SATA 3 in this. Apart from that, you get to see that HDD, only HDD hard drive storage is being offered in two different variants. That is 500 GB or 1 TB. So these two variants would be seen out. Whereas in SSD variant, if you talk about SSD, then you get to see 256 GB or 1 TB out here. So this is the variation available out in the market. But when we talk about these products, then we cannot neglect out the speakers out there with the sound quality it offers. It offers you two speakers out there offering 1.5 volts out there with Dolby audio vision out there. So Dolby audio could be seen out, so that is really amazing. As well as if you have got a great speaker, then the sound quality is super amazing. Apart from that, it offers you a weight of approximately 2.1 kg, so which is not very heavy, not very light out there. Along with that, it offers you 6 hours or 5 hours, like depending upon the time and the variant you are using, display you are using. It offers you the run timing out there. Yes, the run timing depends upon the display, like full HD or HD display out here. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity could also be seen out here, but in a different version. It offers you a different variant in the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You will find USB 3 type slots out there. You will find SD card readers out there, audio jack, that is the audio input output jack out there. You find these things. But what happens to these formats, these gadgets out there when they are in the market, and the special features, if you talk, what are the specializations, special features for this variant? Talking about special features, we can say that they are tough on outside. What does this mean? Tough on outside clearly means that this is a great investment if you do in it. It is not going to be easily ruptured out here. It is going to be giving you protection against every harsh condition out there. So it is giving you maximum support system through the external storage out there. Not like if you throw it, then it won't be damaged. Definitely it will be damaged, but it will not be having any wear and tear out there. Special protection is given out there. External protection is given to this variant, so that is really good. As well as you will see that the bottom part has got maximum ventilation out there with extended components. So the internal components are not going to rupture themselves. So internally also it is going to stay strong with them. Powerful on inside, it can be said that it is really powerful because offering you 8th generation Intel Core processor, that is really great, and offering you a great storage and up to approximately 12 GB memory, that works very well. Like if you get to have, you can have a customization option along with that. Like if you have already talked 4 GB DDR4 type plus 4 GB DIMM type. Along with that, you can also add on to +1 category out there. So you definitely get to have a great RAM memory out there. Windows operating system is there, and especially Windows 10 operating system, and so we can say overall it is giving a very powerful compact out there. So overall it is very powerful out there. You get to see that it has got a full HD display or HD display also, whichever you would like. It offers a screen size of 15.6 inches with Dolby audio out here with great quality. So the entertainment or the multimedia could be like everlasting out here. So you get to have an entertainment out here. You get to have really very great video quality, audio quality. You can record very well. You can see your multimedia very well out here. If you love watching movies, then you can definitely try out this. So these are the few specifications of which are going to be very we can say interesting about this variant. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you all these specifications, all these special things out there, just because it offers you not just a normal product but a great product out here. Now let us talk about this product pricing also, and for that let us visit this website. Website name is justatclick.com. Yes, the website name is justatclick.com. Here you get to have n number of gadgets from various reputed brands out here. Along with that, this website helps or has an option for customization option. Like if you would like to customize your gadgets, you can customize it accordingly. Like if you want to change the RAM type, if it is possible. जो भी चीजें whatever can be customized, they help you to customize it. Now talking about this variant which we were talking about, let us search this variant, that is Lenovo's V out here. We already know that Lenovo's V100 out there we were talking about. So let us talk and search about that variant. So you can either type the full name, that is Lenovo IdeaPad V1002.3, or you can just type this variant so that it can be very quickly seen out. So I have typed a very quickly a short name so that I could get the results. So as you can see, this is the result out here. Lenovo's V1002.3 gigahertz out here. Talking about this variant, then it comes with a bag, along with the bag, which is not free. You have to definitely additions are done with that. But it offers you a small description at the top. Along with that, you get to see that there is a condition written here that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also, and we get to see that down also. We get to see there are few specifications written. And when you talk about this gadget, then you can customize it accordingly, whatever you would feel like. You can customize it so that it is much easier for you guys if you would like to have any customization. So now let us talk about this refurbished product. Talking about refurbished products, so we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are quite similar to brand new. Or we can say that brand new products and refurbished products are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, tests out there. Everything is same. Whether you talk about the designs, they are actually same. Talk about the functionalities, that is also same. But the only difference lies out is that the refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, we can say that the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. So you get to see that they offer you different functionalities. Now talking about these pre-owned gadgets, does it make any difference in anything in the look function? No, it does not make any difference in the looks, functionalities, nothing. The only difference lies out is in the pricing out there or the usage capacity like it has been used before. So these kind of things. Now talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the passage because we should know how does the refurbished products are pre-owned. So talking about the pre-ownization, there is a normal platform or normal chain which is followed out. That is the base, mediator, and consumer. For brand new, the base is nothing else but the company which is giving out the product. Mediator is the marketplace which offers you the gadget out in the marketplace. And the user is the consumer out here which consumes or takes the gadget. So this is all about the brand new concept. This is what happens in the brand new passage or the chain. कि कंपनी मार्केट में लेकर आती है प्रोडक्ट को फिर यूज करता है यूजर. So this is what happens in the brand new. Talking about the refurbished product, this is actually the extension of this version. Yes, this is the extension of brand new. What happens now is the user have that gadget and wants to resell this product, is not using that product, wants to resell, is bored of that product. So what happens is that product is brought up in the market through the user. Now this user becomes the owner of that gadget and the base. Now it is going to resell it. Now to resell, you have to bring it into the marketplace, and then it is again resold to the another user. Yes, then it is resold to another user. Now there lies a small difference out here. Yes, there lies a very small difference. What happens is, in brand new product, company testers verifies it before launching into the market. But in refurbished product, when we resell it to a site or to marketplace, then it is verified, tested, then it is brought up in the site to sell it. But this testing is done within the site itself, no external sites are involved. But in companies, after testing, it has to be checked with other websites also. There are few specifications, few testings out, websites which check the specifications too. So there is a difference in the checking parameters where it has to be checked. Now, otherwise the parameters are absolutely same, whether the testing parameters you compare, design you compare, functionality you compare. Talking about the design, the structures, we can say whatever the company states, the same design has to be seen in the refurbished product. Functions has to be same. It might be customized. Yes, they might customize it accordingly. How they might customize, like if there is a functionality given through the company that they can customize it accordingly, then they can easily customize the product. Talking about the products, we can say the test parameters are absolutely same, whether it's external parameters or internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that the external parameters includes the factors or the parameters which do not require any equipment. Like there are parameters which involve the display, the scratches, button intactness, button working, battery, jacks out there, connectors, camera, on off button, whether how long it is taking to start, how long it's taking to off. So these, like externally, which you do not require any external or the any other parameters or any other gadget to test them. The keys which are being in the place in keyboard have placed orderly, like the way it should be placed, is it that way or not? The 12 functional keys are working or not? Arrow keys are working or not? Touchpad is working or not? If there is any scratch, what kind of scratch it is it repairable or it is non-repairable? What kind of scratch it is actually? First, it has to be checked that way. Repair was if it can be repaired, then it has to be done. If it is non-repairable, then it has to be seen in another way. So it has to be checked every throughout. Once the external parameters are done, then it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? They need equipments. There are few equipments, or you can say there are specified gadgets which are required to test them, because internal processors, graphics, condensers, or each and every part out there which has to be checked internally needs specified gadgets. Talking about the connectivities out there, talk about the visuals out there, the resolution, talk about the graphical part, processor, RAM quality, RAM type, storage, portability, drive out there, internal connectors out there, everything needs to be verified. Once each and every part, every section is verified, which and is supposed to be the same as it was mentioned by the company, then it is said that it is all good to use. It has a good quality, good service is being provided by this. Now it gives you a good functionality, and it is certified as refurbished. Now what happens to the structurality? It is absolutely same. If it has some mishappenings in it, if the product is not working properly, it has to be replaced with the original parts. Yes, if it is having a really damaged part, then it has to be replaced, and once it is replaced, then it is brought back into the market. Otherwise it has to be discarded there itself. Now, what are the advantages of having refurbished product? Because these seems like absolutely same. So what is the major difference or the major advantages? Talking about the advantages of having refurbished product is number one, the pocket friendly rate offered out. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. How it is like brand new products are actually expensive out here. You get to see that brand new products are actually expensive. They might offer you slightly high pricing, but refurbished products they are generally less expensive, or you can say they are quite cheaper out here as compared to brand new. So they are offering you pocket friendly rates. Apart from that, you get to see that since there is a difference in the pricing, you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you get to save a lot of money out here. There could be a great savings done with this so that you can use it on other products too. Talking about the warranty period in brand new products, we get to see 1 year warranty period in brand new products, like 1 year warranty along with exchange policies out there. So refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 50% warranty period is given. That is the 6 months warranty period out here. Yeah, usually pre-owned gadgets don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So this is really good that you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with it. Talking about these factors, let us talk about the site also, which offers you these specifications. We were talking at this site that is just at click.com. The site itself means you are just a click away, just at click. That is the website name. This site offers you mostly refurbished products, so they offer you the pocket-free rates, savings. You can save a great savings out here, 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy. Along with those things, you get to have COD. Yes, you get to have the COD out here. Along with that, you also get to have hassle-free shopping, along with the free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. You can have all these specifications out here. So what does this shipping means? This shipping means that this offers you 48-hour shipping timing within most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week in Saudi. But yes, this site offers you a option that is customizability option. So because of that, you can customize your gadget if you want to have some RAM variation in the storage capacity, processing out there, Windows out there, which can be customized. Yes, which can be customized option are available on this site. So depending upon the customization, it might take a vary in the shipping timing. But yes, definitely, this is really amazing website for you all to check out the best pricing for your gadgets, best pocket friendly rates out here. So you can definitely check out the website. Description has the link, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.